in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Laurenttville to Shorewood, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Franklin Park, Frankfort, Hinsdale, and Lamont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special